This will be the elevator at Dillards at SouthPark Mall. And they redid this thing. Looks really nice. They repainted everything and put in new lights. Look how nice the paint looks now. I actually see the cab. Those handrails might be new too. I could be wrong though. EPCO buttons. This is a Minnesota installed by Otis. 3,500 pound capacity. Very nice elevator.